Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can use the WMS into your QGIS. For example, this is a web address and it contains the web map service and some contains the web picture service and so on. So how can we use this kind of information or this kind of data into our QGIS and work with that data? So I have prepared some of the URL. So we can also get the URL from this inspect element. After we go to the network and reload it, we can get some of the URL here. So when I double click it, it goes to this URL with this service equals to WMS. That means the web map service, and request is equal to get map and get capabilities and so on. So uh, we just copy this one, and then in the QGIS we are going to create a new layer, but my QGIS is not responding at the moment, so we should have to wait for some time. So how can I pause this video for a moment? Mm, So this one is my QGIS. So I am going to build a new layer which is taken from this WMS from this website. So this is the um, web map service hosted on the website. We can also use our own local host for hosting our map or this kind of WMS layer. So first of all, we are going to go to this layer, and in this we have add layer and go to the add WMS WMTS layer. Okay, so we can go. I have already done this too, so I will create a new and I will just write new in this, and I will copy this URL and then paste this URL in this URL. So after that, I will just click OK, and then I will try to connect it, and this works. So here are different kind of layers. So we are just going to add one layer, so might be this one. I just click this and click on add. So in this way, the layer of spherefish is added here, and I can close this for a moment. But the my QGIS is not good responding, so we should have to wait for some time. Yeah, then this layer is now here, so we can go here and then zoom to layer, and when we just hover around it, the uh, URL of this data is shown. Okay, so public map service something something and something, but this layer is even not showing. Might be this might be empty layer. Let's see if we can do something. I have so many applications open, so maybe this might. Okay. Uh, this is source is okay. Mm, I don't know. Let's see the attribute table if there are any. I don't know how to see the attribute table in QGIS. Uh, but it's empty. Yeah. So I will just load another one in the layer. We have already added that one. So we just click here, like I will just select all. So I can click on 0 in here. Again, it became unresponsive. So when I click this one, all the layers will be added, and so I will add this, and all the layers will be added now here, and close this, and we can see a new layer has been added. So when I zoom to layer and go here and zoom in, we can see uh, this WFS layer, which contains different type of character map. Yeah, so here is the plan of the building, maybe. Yeah, and the number, house number, and so on. Everything is inside it. I have not tried it to save it and edit this feature. So you can just export maybe as a GeoTIFF. Yeah, this is the image. So mm, we have to save it as a GeoTIFF. When it was a web feature service, we can save it as a save file and so on. So we are also going to work on the web feature service. If it works, I don't think this is a valid link, but let's see if there will be any miracle. So in the layer, I will go again to the add layer and WFS. How can add WFS layer? Yeah. So here I will click new WFS, and then I will create that URL into here and then click OK. Again, we have to wait for some time. Yeah, it's not responding. Yeah. So after that, I will just click on connect, and we can see different WMS layer are there. So I am just using one of the layer like counties and then add. Okay. So I have added that layer, but the download of feature failed or partially failed while parsing get response. So maybe that there is a token error or something. I cannot see any map, so I can just remove this and again try this one. So this kind of WFS you can create in GeoServer, which is a application. For example, here GeoServer, and then you can host your own WFS layer or WMS layer um, in the local host. And if you want to host it uh, in the website, I think you have to pay. I haven't done that yet, so I don't know about that. After this, I will again go here and then wait and wait and wait. Until then, I will pause the video. So I have selected these layers and then try to add these layers. If that would work, it would be a miracle again. But the download of the features is not working. I think some of them are working. 10-meter populated place, 10 million. I don't know. So it's loading the feature, but I'm not sure it will be able to load because this is also my first try for the WFS. So I have added all these and these are seen into here. So I will open the attribute table first. I can't see nothing here except this table head count is wait for a moment again. It's not responding. I don't know what's happening to my QGIS. Yeah, it is also empty. So data loading is the problem at the moment. While the WMS layer has been loaded successfully, the WFS layer is not loaded. So I will just check in this layer if there is any WFS layer. It's only WMS layer, so free WFS layer link to check. I want to see if there is any free WFS layer, but it shows only the local host. Yeah, I have asked to the OpenAI chat, but it also gives me some wrong URL. Not found. Not found. WFS URL. Unavailable. This should work now. No. No. This is a problem, but let's try some more. WFS of USA state. Doesn't so I want to go to one of these uh Stalin suits Bund and go to the geo portal of this website. Yeah, and then let's see if there are any WFS. Mm, I will just close for the Wasser. Uh, so this should be some. If there is some WFS, no, it's also WMS. All is WMS. So how can I get the WFS? It's a problem. Yeah. What I wanted to show you, if there will be WMS, it will be easy for you to download it and edit it and convert it to the save file and so on, but it didn't work. So what I will try is just use this WMS service, one of the WMS service, and then copy it and again add. This didn't work. So I will just not remove or do anything to this one. I will just add a new layer here and then add the WMS layer and again create a new one. So in the name I will write Stralen Suit. So I will type the URL for that Stralen Suits here. Image BFS OGC Open Data WMS. Okay, and then click OK, and after that connect. So I will get a numerous WMS here. So I will just select some of the WMS and display in my QGIS. There is a problem of download of capability is failed, operation cancelled in this Stalin suit. So I will just I have already added this stage base map, so I will try to connect it again, and then I will just use this SRTM30 hillside or SRTM30 colored or contour anywhere. So I will use this contour. So add it to the map and let's see if it's added. It's not responding again, so I have to wait for a while. The loading of this SRTM30 didn't work as per my view. So we are trying to load another one. add layer, add WMS, and OSM WMS and add. So now we can see the WMS layer has been loaded from this um, https OWS terrestrials.te/osm/service and so on. So this is the OSM which we have got from the web, and when I zoom this to my zoom to a layer where it has gone, I have to look by closing this. So uh, there might be problem of uh, the what is that called, referencing system, so it might not be in the same place, but I hope this cadastre map is from the Sweden. So it's going good. Yeah, so in this way you can use the WMS features into your QGIS project and work with these layers. Also you can um, have your project and every files WMS, all the images, or for example you have this DAME data or the satellite images, and you can also publish that images into the server, and from that server again you can fetch that data into your QGIS. So you can also work as a team or independent. So in this way, um, my tutorial is going to be finished today. I will write the link of this um, cadastre in the description. So have a good night. Bye bye. No, good night and bye bye.